Very good morning, my dear student. Welcome to Digital World of Pathania Public School. Today we start chapter number 6, Getting Started with Python. In this chapter, we learn what is Python, working of Python, and how to download the Python. Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language. And what do you mean by the program? Program means set of instructions. When we combine set of instructions, then a programming language was developed. And Python programming language was developed by Godio van Rossum in Feb 1991. Python is based on or influenced with two programming languages. One is ABC language and second is Modula 3. So Python is influenced by two languages. The name is ABC language and second is your Modula. Modula it Modula 3 and ABC language, a teaching language created as a replacement of BASIC. BASIC is also your programming language, and the replacement of this basic language is your ABC and Modula. Python is very simple and easy language. Same like other language C, C++, Java, VB. It is also a very high level programming language, yet as powerful as many other middle level, not so high level language like C, C++, Java, etc. In this chapter, we shall introduce you to playful world of Piquant Python. Word piquant means pleasantly stimulating or exciting or to the mind. So, are we ready? Okay. Python is a programming language. It is a high level language, but it is not very high level language as C, C++, and Java. It is very simple, easy, understandable language, and Python is very simple language, you can say. It is object oriented programming language. Python is your object oriented programming language. But before we learn about the object oriented programming language, we learn some points of Python. Python pluses. Python pluses. Though Python language came into being in early year 1990s, yet it is competing with the ever popular language such as C, C++, Java, VB in popularity index. Let's see what are these pluses of Python. What are the advantages of Python? Why we use the Python? What are the characteristics of Python? So, first is your easy to use. Easy to use. Python is compact and very easy to use object oriented language with very simple syntax rules. It is very high level language and thus very programmer friendly. You can say Python is very simple and easy language, and it is very friendly, user friendly language. A programmer write programming language in a very simple and easy way with the help of Python. And Python is your object oriented programming language. Object means any entity. For example, we are talking about the fruits. In fruits, your apple, mango, bananas, these all are your entities, but your fruit is your class. So object oriented language is totally dependent. So object oriented programming language is a broader term, but the Python, C++, Java, these are your languages with work in object oriented programming language. So we can say it is very easy to use language and programmer friendly language. Second is expressive language. The second characteristics and the second advantages of your Python is expressive language. Python is an expressive language, fewer lines of code and simpler syntax. When we work in Python, the syntax of Python is very simple. You write down just print hello, then hello word will be displayed in your screen. For example, you write down swap values in C++ when we are working in C++ and here we are working in Python. So first we understand what do you mean by the swap. Swap means to interchange the value. For example, in A our value is 2 and in B our value is 3. So we take the third variable temp and we pass our value to A. For example, uh, uh, one name is Amit and second is your Sumit. Amit want to give the pencil to the Sumit and Sumit give the pen to the uh, Amit. So how it change it? We take another person, third person. So first person give the output to the third one, and then this third one give the output to the second one, and then we transfer it with one. So how we transfer it? How we interchange it? For example, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. So we initialize A value is 2 and B value is 3. So we take one another variable here C. So here we interchange C is equal to A. So now C have 2. So we transfer this 2 to the C. Now A is blank. Now you give the A is equal to B. Now here A have the answer is 3. Now B is blank. So now simple you give B is equal to C. So when you give B is equal to C, then in C is your A's value. So B is equal to 2. So here we start A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, but here you see A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. This is the swap. Swap means interchange the value. If A value transfer into the B and B value transfer into the A, this is your swapping. When we are working this swapping in C++, then we take three variables, A variable, B variable and one more variable, temp. The name of the variable is temp. Now we give temp is equal to A is equal to B and B is equal to temp like this. C is equal to A is equal to B and B is equal to C here. But in Python, it is very simple language. Don't write down the lengthy process here. Just write down A comma B is equal to 2 comma 3. So A means your value is 2 and here B means value is 3. So A have 2 value and B have 3 value. So write down here A comma B is equal to B comma A. So automatically our values are 2 comma 3 is equal to 3 comma 2. So it is interchange. Very simple language. So swap is the expressive language, very simpler syntax. Any new user can use it very easier way. Now the third characteristics is your interpreted language. Python is not a compiled language, it is your interpreted language. Python, it makes Python an easy to debug language. Now, what do you mean by the debug here? Bug, B-U-G, bug. Bug is very important term in languages. Bug means error. Bug means error. And debug means finding the error. Finding the error. So, it makes Python an easy to debug language and thus suitable for beginner to advanced users. Here we can say it Python is very simple finding errors. In Python you find out error in very simple way and it is your interpreted language. We have already know about the interpreted and compiled language, interpreter and compiler. So here we use the interpreted. The next advantage is its completeness. Its completeness for most types of required functionality is available through various modules of Python standard library. And what do you mean by the standard library? In this library with the functions and the variables and the modules, etc. For example, for diverse functionality such as emails, web pages, database, GUI development, network connections, and many more, everything is available in Python standard library. Python is a storage of Python is a collection of emails, web page. Python is a actually internet language. Python is a internet language, so it is enriched with the standard library, and in standard library, email, web pages, database, GUI development, everything is there. Every network connectivity also in Python language. Thus, it is also called Python follows batteries included philosophy. So everyone underline this point. Python follows batteries included philosophy. Next characteristics is cross-platform language. Cross-platform language. Platform means where you run the language. Python can run equally well on variety of platform. You run the Python Windows, Linux operating system, Unix operating system, Macintosh operating system, and you can run it on supercomputer, smartphone, anywhere you can run it. It is not that amazing, and that makes Python is true close cross platform languages, or in other word, Python is portable language. And portable means you can run your Python language on any operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh operating system, or you can run this Python language on any computer, PC, supercomputer, mini computer, or your smartphone also. Uh, so it is cross platform language. Free and open source. Python is a free language and open source language. Anyone can download it from the internet. Python language is freely available along with its source code also. Seventh advantages is variety of uses application. Variety of uses application. Python has evolved into a powerful, complete and useful language over these years. These days, Python is being used in many diverse field applications, some of which are scripting. Application and field means uses where we use the Python almost used in every field. So we use the Python in scripting, web application, game development, database application, system administrations, rapid prototyping, and GUI programming. So almost in every field we use the Python language. So, in brief, we can say Python has so many advantages: easy to use, expressive language, cross-platform language, free and open source, interpreted language, variety of uses and applications, and these all are the and its completeness. So these are the advantages of your Python. Now, with these all advantages of Python, some disadvantages also. So Python, some minuses. So so many advantages of Python are there, but little bit some disadvantages also. First is note the faster language. Note the faster language. Python is an interpreted language, not a fully compiled one. Fully compiled language are faster than their interpreted counterpart. We already know that interpreter is interpreter and the compiler is faster than the interpreter. So Python offers faster development times, but execution time are not that fast compared to some compiled language. Interpreter is very good, but it is not faster than the compiled language. And the second disadvantage is lesser library than C, Java, Perl. C, Java, and Perl, these all are your object-oriented programming language. These are your languages. So Python offered library support more for almost all computing program, but its library is still not competent with languages like C, Java, Perl, etc. They have larger collection available sometimes. In some cases, these languages offer better and multiple solutions than Python. So we can say here C is better than the Python in the form of enrichment of libraries. So in C and C, Java, Perl have more library than the Python. Next disadvantage is not strong on type binding. Not strong on type binding. Python interpreter is not very strong on catching type mismatch. Type mismatch issues. For example, if you declare a variable an integer but later store a string value in it, Python would not complain or pinpoint it. Now, what do you mean by the integer and the string? Integer is your numeric value. For example, you write down 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are your integer. But what do you mean by the string? When you write down the group of characters, for example, you write down any name, these are your string. So in Python, it is very declare a variable as integer but later store a string value in it, Python would not complain or pinpoint it. It is not simple to finding the error between the integer and the string values. And the next disadvantage is not easily convertible. Not easily convertible because of its lack of syntax. Python is an easy language to program in, but this advantage has a flip side too. It becomes a disadvantage when it comes to translating a program into another programming language. This is because most other languages have structure defined syntax, but Python have no structure defined syntaxes. So now you are familiar with what all Python offer as a free and open source language. It is users are growing by leaps and bounds. As per January 2020 popularity index, Python was second most popular programming language. According to Jan 2020, Python was second most popular programming language after JavaScript. JavaScript is also your programming language. That is the reason it's part of your syllabus. Together we will make it playful Python. Clear? So Python is your object-oriented programming language. It is high level programming language. It is very simple, easy language. Now we are talking about the working in Python. Working in Python. Before you start working in Python, you need to install Python on your computer. There are multiple Python distributions available today. Default installation available from www.python.org is called CPython installation and comes with Python interpreter, Python IDLE and pip package installer. There are many other Python distributions available these days. Anaconda Python distribution, Jupyter Python system is one such highly recommended distribution that comes preloaded with many packages and libraries. For example, NumPy, SciPy, Panda libraries, etc. Many popular IDs. IDs stand for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. It is window-based platform. For example, Spider IDE, PyCharm IDE, of these, Spider IDE is already available as a part of Anaconda Python distribution. But in simple way, we can say you can do Python on any package, and so many packages are there. Your Anaconda package are there, Panda libraries are there, and your Jupyter is there, Spider ID is there, PyCharm ID is there, and Anaconda Python is there, so you can download it from any platform. Uh, how to install the Python, we can learn in the next video. For today's video, thank you so much everyone.